What's up guys? Today we're going to be putting on the epoxy primer on the Camaro. But first, as you can see, Aaron sanding down all the jams and everything like that. We haven't got the garage set up yet. We're going to wait until we get the garage completely clean. Then we'll wrap it up with plastic. It's only epoxy primer, so we're not going to go too crazy on it. And we may be using this trash can as a little stand. It's getting a little greasy out here guys, but we're going to get it done and see how it goes. Even Hiccup over here, he's helping out too. Right, Hiccup? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Let's see it. Let's see it. Oh yeah, there we go. See? Hiccup loves sanding too. But anyways guys, stick with us and we're going to get this thing painted today. We're going to get everything wrapped up and I think it's going to turn out great. Let's do it. Alright guys, we got pretty much the whole Camaro sanded down. All the panels are sanded. Just have the epoxy primer have a better mechanical bond when we start spraying. But before we start spraying, we need to apply this fast etch. And pretty much what this does is it neutralizes all the rust on the car. So if there's like any rust pitting, anything like that, it just gets rid of it so that rust doesn't creep up in the future with your nice new paint job. But before we apply the fast etch, we need to start cleaning the Camaro. It's pretty dirty from all the sanding and dust and whatnot. I'll show you guys how dirty it is. Start applying a little bit. I mean, look at that. That's horrible. You can't have that on there at all, especially before painting. So we're going to go throughout the whole car and just paint prep it and get all this contamination off and get it ready for paint.
Alright, so you guys know this is some USA good quality stuff. About to go down today. move out some of these directions. Guy doesn't need to read these. Put this to the side. It's our Contours Pro 2 gun, about a full kit. It's already got the 1.3 tip already on it. It's already cleaned, it's ready to go. Just need to get this regulator installed on here, get this all installed, and then we mix our paint. Should be spraying here pretty soon. Maybe not too long.
Yeah, we got both parts here, part A, part B. It's a 1-to-1 mixing ratio. And like Aaron said, you just need to use the 1.3 tip with 25 to 30 psi for shooting. So we're about to hit it, get it painting, and yeah, it's gonna look good. You think it's gonna look good, Aaron?
Dude, does a pig fly on a Monday? Probably not. But it's gonna look good.
Probably not. Anyways,
it's gonna
guys.
look good. Got my stiff-jack-itis going here. We've been staining and cleaning for so long. Getting a little delusional up in the shop.
Alright guys, check us out, we're about to start painting.
Alright guys, we just got back in the garage. Starting to spray real quick on the panels. As you guys can see, it's been another day. Flipped everything over, did the same thing we basically did yesterday. Repeated it, grabbed the other panels out of the car. The actual panels turned out really pretty nicely on the Camaro. Not too bad for some primer. You guys can see. Pretty thick stuff on here, huh? Do it. I'll put my mask on, so here it goes, guys.
Okay guys, it's been a couple days since we last painted a car. This was actually my first time painting a car, and I learned a couple things I want to do differently next time we paint. The first thing, I'm definitely going to just paint the body first and get that out of the way, then move on to the door panels and fenders and stuff like that on a whole nother day. Our garage is just way too small to paint all of it in one day. So next time I'm just going to split it up more, just so we have more room inside the garage. And the second thing, this wasn't a huge deal, but just to make it easier on me, I'm going to raise the Camaro just so I can get the lower panels a little bit better. So guys, stay tuned to the channel, where in the next video we start sanding down the Camaro, find out where the highs and lows are. We also have a couple patch panels that be welded in. Anyways, it seems like the bodywork madness is never going to end, but we'll get there. See you guys later.